Hi, this is Grace, Mark, Parv, and Minay from Team Oxford Comma, and this is our project progress report. I'll start by giving a quick overview of our question answering and question generation pipelines. For question generation, we will begin by pre-processing the text, then followed by parts of speech tagging, and then generating two types of questions, binary and WH questions. Then we will move to correct the syntax, and finally score the questions. For question answering, we will also begin by pre-processing the text. Then we'll find the most relevant sentences, followed by parts of speech tagging and identifying what kind of question it is. Lastly, we'll find the missing parts and give the answering a score. Moving on to question generation. We will begin by pre-processing the text with co-reference resolution. Then we'll apply parts of speech tagging using NLTK. Then we will use dependency parsing to create a parse tree and identify the clauses which can easily be created into the two question types, binary questions or the who, what, where, when, and how questions. Finally, we will implement correct syntax and semantics and score our questions using a language model.
For question answering, first we want to get most relevant sentences in the article for a given question sentence. Then we want to identify what is the WH question type for the sentence. We also want to get a syntactic representation like dependency trees, get dependencies between subject and object. And finally, we want to get candidates which are most likely to be answer to the given question. Current project status, so we are still getting familiar with various NLP tools and libraries that we are going to use for our project. We are able to pre-process the given input article, tokenize them into word and sentences, and also run part of speech tagger using NLTK library. We have 2-week milestones as our timeline. For first 2 weeks, we plan to do what kind of questions can be asked given a sentence and identify the most relevant sentences from the articles given a question. The next 2 weeks, we plan to achieve forming coherent questions and finding out parts from the reference sentences which could be answers. And in the final 2 weeks, we plan to score the generated questions and we want to score the potential answers to choose the most likely answer.